Hello, in this video I will show you how to automatically send your recent connections. So in the past videos I made some videos how to scrape leads and how to send them connection requests automatically. In this video, after you have sent them connection requests, some people will accept the connection. What we want to do now is automatically send them a personalized message so you can turn them into a lead. How this automation will work is it will go to your page with the recent connections, then it will actually click on the message button of your most recent connections, and it will then write them a very personalized message. If it sees that you've already sent a message with the person or the person already sent you a message, then it will skip that person and it will stop the automation. So to do this automation, we will use a tool called ZeroWork. You can use it for free if you use the link down in the description below and press start for free. It's a tool where you can actually automate any process with. After you've installed your account, you can click the second link in the description below. That is actually the link containing the taskbot, containing the automation. So here, this is the automation. What it actually will just do is it will loop over the new connections. It will click the send message. After it sends the message, it will close everything and it will go to the second one and so forth. So I also added a table where you can see everything which has happened, and it also saves the name, the URL, and the title of the profile. To insert the message you want to say, you have here the insert called DM. This is something I have written for myself. It automatically scrapes the name and puts it inside, but you should create a message of your own, something which you want to offer or how you want to open to the person. So one last thing you need to do is to connect your account. You have to install the cookie editor plugin. I will put the link also down below in the description, and you should export your cookies. That way the taskbot can log into your account. So you press add cookies, you paste them in. After you've pasted the cookies in and you set your personal message, let's run the automation. In the meantime, I will also explain a bit more how this is working. So first it opens the link, then it waits for the listings to load. So now you see it just opened the page. Now it's waiting for all the things to load. After they load, you see already it clicked the message button of the first one. You see it saves the URL, it opens it. Here you can see it in a new tab. After it opens, it's checking if everything is okay. It's also here checking if there is a message history. If there is one found, it will stop the automation. If there is not one found, it will send the message and also continue like that. It will save everything, the URL, the name, the title, even put it also in the table. It will get the first name. Let me maybe show you. Like you see now, it's actually actually typing in the message, and after it will just press the send button. It will also have random delays, so it's always very randomized. Now that it has sent this message, it closes the tab and it will then go to the next one. So now it will send a message to my second connection. It's quite simple. And also the nice thing is I've just set it to run on the amount of listings that are loaded, and usually it loads like 10, so it will never send more than 10 messages, and it will always send to the most recently added. So this is actually just the automation. I will also check here. So now you see it's doing the second one. If you want to add some delays or make it more random, you can do that over here. For example, here it clicks the send button. Now I say between 2 and 6 seconds it should delay to make it like very random and undetectable. You can schedule this automation, for example, to run every day. You can do that, and then every day it will check, are there new connections? Yes, there are new connections. Then it will send a message. So now it even done the next one. This is the automation. You can find it in the description below. If you liked this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe or to give it a comment or a like. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.